Praise the Lord. Welcome to AIM. Okay, guys, we are on our way back home, going from inside Accra towards Ensawam. So my husband just said, I'm flying. I mean, he was moving along quite nicely, and here we are. Man, we're still moving at a pretty good rate. 20 right now. That will diminish, I'm sure. So here we are. This is the beginning of the road construction on our way back. So this will be the access road, I guess. This will be the main road. Is that right?
No, this will be another.
Oh, okay, going one way and this way.
Right.
Okay, so the access road will be down. Okay, yeah. Can you see? Like down there will be the access road. Down. I guess where we used to ride. Okay, so this will be one way. That will be one way. The access road will be down there on that side. So here's what it's looking like. The work they're doing here. This bridge wasn't here, so it's completed now, and you see we're driving on it. Yep. So we used to ride way down there. I guess that will be the access road. So they're doing a lot of stuff over here. I always think those signs are funny. Slow down. Okay, you can't really go that fast. I don't think your car will make it if you're going too fast. Okay, see where this car is turning? Now will be the access road. And we used to ride on that road and come and join up here. So, yep, this is what it's looking like. I have some pavers right there. I call them pavers. They're probably not called that, but that's what I call them. There's a lot more over here. So as we saw, they were covering, like they were building up the gutter and then covering it. We are back down to 10 miles an hour, guys. That's what I'm seeing. Oh, today is June 30th, 2024. I didn't give you guys the date. For those of you who are keeping track, we're here at Jante. That's the area. So as you can see, you can do the calculations and the math if you want. Going 5 miles at 10 miles an hour, right? Or going 5 miles at 60 miles an hour. You can tell the difference in the time it will take you to go 5 miles. So I think you guys can understand what I'm talking about when I tell you that when the road is finished, it will definitely be a game changer. It will help a lot as far as the travel time, right? So for those of you who look for landmarks, somewhere up here, let's see, we'll watch and see it. Somewhere up there is the big giant house I usually show you guys. we can check over here for a second. Here's where they're filling. You see how they're using those pavers. You see them on the wall, little wall there. See how they're using it? So, like I was saying, there's the big house, just for a landmark. If you're riding on this road, you more than likely have seen that. I don't know what it is, guys. But there it is. So this is what the construction is looking like. They are getting somewhere. So we thank God for that. You can see a lot of this has been filled in, compacted down. We had the gutter on that side and the wall. So you see how the wall is coming. Yep. There's this side here. So they've set out all the pavers over there. Some people still think it's okay to plow through there. Speed on through while work is going on.
I think they have less workers though, because today they are working, but since we are coming, you don't see people working here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So if they want to get it done, they will get done. But seems like the workers are very, very small. Though so
Yeah.
far the whole show, I saw only one person. I mean, how can one person? I mean, what can he do? So
Right.
if there's a lot of people working here, the work will get done. I don't know if they are not releasing money for the contractor or what. I don't know, because if you want to get things done, you can get things done if you have the workers, and you know,
Right.
it will get done. You know, the equipment that they are using is not, I mean, like sometimes they will do a whole like half, like maybe half a mile, and they are using only let's say the big equipment. You know, sometimes they need maybe about 4 or 5 that will be going up and down, and you know, but sometimes you see only one. You know, one can do much.
Right.
You know, what can one do? But if you have like 3 or 4 doing the same thing, you know, it will be faster. So I don't know if they are not releasing the money, or they are not getting workers, or they don't have the equipment. Because in the United States, when they are working, when construction work is going on, it's a lot of equipment that you will see. You know, but here you will see only 1, 2, and doing, you know, covering a whole like a mile or half a mile with one big equipment, you know. So I think that's why it's not going fast, you know. And also it would have been finished, like they said, in July.
So we are taking the Pokuase shortcut. Look at that, guys. Ooh, looking good, looking good. Lots of fruits and vegetables. Nana, did you enjoy church today? Okay. We had a blessed day. And my husband can speak more on that than I can, because he does follow things and you know, understands the 2 cultures and understands what he's reading on the news and watching in the news and all of that. So there's an insight. Leave your comments below. What do you guys think? What do you think about the project? I do know that when it's finished, guys, it will definitely be a game changer as far as us being able to travel. Now it takes us close to an hour and a half almost each way to get to church and get home. It's quite a journey, and it, you know, it makes you, like, sometimes you might want to just go and pick something up at the store or something. But when you think twice about it, I guess it saves you money because you really don't feel like taking that long journey over the bumpy road. But when they finish it, that will be different. That will definitely be different. When they finish the road, then if you want to take a quick trip, even to buy the dog food or whatever, it won't be so much of a all-day thing, right? For right now, it is. But that's the thing too. That is why the land prices will be going up when it's finished, because it will be more like we're actually in the outskirts of Accra, and you know, it will make it more connected, I guess I want to say. So this is Pokuase. You see how even on the little roads here with the speed bumps and everything, you can move along good, right? You can move along good, and yeah. So that's why my husband takes this shortcut now. It saves some of that wear and tear on your vehicle. It saves some of that braking and all the whole time. So at least here you can go smooth a little bit before you have to brake. It's a bit faster too. Yep. So this is Pokuase. It's still in Accra. It's a part of Accra. So you see the furniture they make here. Some pots. They have some plants. What is this? Maybe a car dealer selling cars. You have to be careful and do your due diligence. A car wash when you're buying vehicles here in Ghana. I'm not saying you can't. You can, but you have to do your due diligence. They're selling electricity poles here. This is a agriculture area, I think. Very nice. See the mountain view and all of that. It's nice. Some more plants for sale. There's probably some water close by there. Usually wherever they do the plants, like selling plants and stuff, there's usually a little stream or something right there. Yeah, here's what I was talking about. This is the agric land. I don't really know what they do there, what they actually grow and stuff on this land. There's the center, incubation center. I think they food research or something. I think they grow food and maybe trees and stuff like that. I know sometimes, I don't know if it's that place, but the Forestry Commission will give out free trees and stuff certain times a year so that people will plant more trees, which is nice. They sell trash cans over there. So you never know what you can find as you're driving by. Then you see the things for sale. So now we're about to join the road again. The main road. So we have cut some of the bumping, but we're back into it. Yeah, I hope and pray they will be able to finish it quickly. They're switching. I think this guy's waiting to turn and somebody blocked the road. We're switching drivers. I don't know why they do that. They will just all of a sudden switch drivers sometimes. But here's a little market. Those mangoes look good. Yep. I bought some right around our house. And they're very, very good. My husband cut one yesterday. It was super good. So you guys can see this is part of what they're building up. Got the power lines going on over there. My husband was saying it looks like they're putting new wire on the new power lines, and I think he's right, because the old wires are still there. Here's some of the pillars. So they've poured some of the pillars here. Yeah, so you see there's lines on both the old poles and the new poles. They're putting the scaffolding up to make another pillar there. Got a lot of filling going on over here. That's nice that they're getting new wires as well. It will be better. It will be, there's a lot of filling over there too. It will be better to have the new wires anyway. You know, the other wires are probably quite old. So there you have it. And then you won't have to wait for them to maybe turn the power off and move the wires over. Somebody's up there on the pole, guys. Working. Whatever he's doing, I don't know, but doing something up there. And here we have the walkway. Got your gutters going on here. They've done the pavers on this side. Speeding through and beeping. Okay. Wow, those iron rods are sticking out. If you get too close to that, you'll scratch your car. Or actually, more than scratch it, probably rip it apart. So this is the other side of the walkway. And And there's what they're doing now. So pouring it, I'm sure. Here's what the road is looking like here. So I guess these will be the main roads, and then we got the access road over there on the side. See guys, they're doing the pavers. You guys could probably slow it down and watch it. See, this is what my husband's talking about too. That man had a wheelbarrow of sand pushing it. Like the cement that you're gonna need for the projects here. You know, you would think that maybe they would bring the big truck of cement, right? Instead of now we're pushing wheelbarrows and mixing by hand, more than likely. At least get a cement mixer over there. For the scope of this work, you don't want to mix all the cement by hand. I mean, they do have the trucks. I've seen the trucks, but I just saw that guy was pushing a wheelbarrow of sand. So even if they're doing the pavers, like it'd be more beneficial to have at least the cement mixer rather than mix it by hand. I don't know, just my little opinion. They've made the bridge there with the culvert and got a lot of filling material here. Fill this place. Yep. So that's the type of material they have that they're filling with right now. See, this kind of stuff where they just decide that this way is less bumpy, so they prefer to come and face the traffic and go that way rather than ride on their side.
At least coming this way is a little bit quicker than going.
Yeah. It might help too the way that you shortened it by going through Pokuase. There's the landmark that we always show you, the house. Now here we are to the underpass or overpass, whatever you want to call it. Let me know, guys, what is it? Is it an overpass or an underpass? Here's the wall. So all this will be filled. We'll be riding way up there when the road is completed. So there it is. Hopefully the truck takes its time. You can see the picture of what the proposed project will look like when it's done. You see how they've done all this. So this has all been done. They're coming to cast the concrete. They'll have to put all the forms on it for the walls up there. Yeah. You see the picture on the wall here. You can stop the video and check it out. So that's what it will look like. So then under here, I'm sure they'll have access, you know, to go down the side roads and the access road. Yep. So you see how they have the forms on the top of the wall there. So they put the forms and they will pour the cement. Oh, gotta zoom you guys out. So they brought some of the filling material. They'll need to bring a lot more and fill this all the way up. So we'll be riding up. Yep. When we're going in, we'll be riding up. And then all the public transport and those wanting to access the local, like the stores and stuff on the side here, will be riding on the access road. Oh, there they are. They're up there doing something. That's a rope. Maybe they're building it. They might be building
See,
it.
like what I was saying. See the electric poles, the high tension.
Yeah.
See, they have about 3 people on one side. So
Uh-huh.
they are doing something. You know,
Uh-huh.
at the end of the day, by next week, they might be able to do a lot.
Right.
When it's not a lot of people, how can you get the work done as it's supposed, you know?
Right.
You can't get it done. So they need more people and they need more equipment to get the work done. See
Uh-huh.
all these ones, I think they haven't changed it yet, or have they? Not yet.
No, there's no wire there yet. Yeah, I think you're right.
Yeah, the people, you know, the equipment and the people is not enough to get the work done. This is a very big project. So
Right.
if you don't have enough people, it's gonna be hard for you to get the work done.
Yeah.
You know.
All right, guys, that's where we leave you off. I hope you enjoyed the ride with us. And until next time, God bless you.